Ooh, is a new cube. So today I'll be going to unbox this cube. It's a Centrosphre cube inside. So let us start unboxing this cube. So will it be done with bare hands? Eeh. No, it will not happen in bare hands, so I have to bring the scissors. Scissors are brought. So now let's cut it down. So no need of this piece. Bye bye this piece. This box will also get a bye bye from me. Oh yes. Yes. Done. So now I'll be going to unbox the Centrosphre cube. Oh no! Oh no! Not that. Sorry. Here is a black thing, and here is the GA math specific Centrosphere cube. Oh, bhai, come over here. Not coming, bhai. So once more, we need the scissors. Oh, please come out. Please come out. Yes. So it's the GA math specific cube. So the centrosphere inside. The centrosphere inside. So oh. Oh, the seller is a fool, I think. Oh, the seller is a bad seller. Why I brought from this seller, bhai? The pieces are open. It's a broken cube given. Why not fully broken? It can be done. I think a lot of time in the box. That's why it is having this problem. So this is my Centrosphere cube. The center pieces where I don't know why they were opened. So Centrosphere cube, not very good quality. It's a bad quality cube. So from where did I bought it? Everything I will give in the description box. And if you like this cube, please give a like, share, or comment to our channel. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications when I release cube videos. So since this is a bad cube only, I think have to return this cube. But the time I can solve it, I will do it, solve it. I don't think that I have to return, but if it breaks, what will I do? I think the quality is so bad that I think that it will break and fall in my hand just now only. So after some days I will make a review on this cube. So bye for today, bye.